तो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम टू एस बी सोल्यूशन। आज आप लोग को सर्कल चैप्टर्स के एक्सरसाइज 11B के क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के ऊपर कुछ डिस्कशन होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में चलिए क्वेश्चन पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ। इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर O इज द सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्कल। ये डायग्राम आप लोग को दिखाई पड़ रहा है। इस डायग्राम में सेंटर दिस इज द सर्कल है और इस सर्कल में O सेंटर। Chord CD is parallel to dia AB. That means this chord CD. This chord is parallel to the diameter AB. It is given in the question. Angle ABC, angle ABC, this angle equal to 25 degree. It is given in the question. Calculate angle CED. CED इस एंगल को हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है। स्टेप 1 में चलते हैं। एंगल ABC, एंगल ABC दिस इक्वल टू एंगल BCD, एंगल BCD, ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल because AB and CD, these two line segments are parallel and BC is the transverse. That is why these two angles are alternate internal angles. That's why the value of these two angles are equal. That is angle BOD, this angle BOD that equal to 2 times angle BCD, 2 times angle BCD, this angle, 2 times. That is equal to 2 into 25, that is equal to 50 degree. Because since the minor arc BD, this is the minor arc BD, makes angle BOD at the center of the circle. सर्कल में द BD जो माइनर आर्क है वो एंगल फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, एंगल BOD, दिस एंगल, एंड माइनर आर्क मेक्स एंगल BCD, this angle at the point C on the circle. That is why the value of this angle BOD is 2 times the value of the angle BCD. Step 2. Angle AOC, this angle AOC, this angle AOC plus angle COD, this angle, plus angle BOD, this angle, this angle. The sum of these three angles, that is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOC this 50 degree, angle COD the same, and angle BOD is equal to 50 degree. That is equal to 180. So therefore angle COD, this is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. So value of this angle COD, that is equal to 80 degree. Therefore angle CED, this angle is equal to half angle COD, this angle, half of this angle COD, that is equal to 40 degree. Why? Angle COD, this angle is formed by the minor arc CD at the center of the circle, and angle CED, this angle is formed by the same minor arc on the circle at the point T. That is why the value of this angle is half the value of this angle at the center. That is why the value of this angle CED, that is equal to 40 degree. Now go to the question number 9. In the given figure, AB and CD are straight lines through the center O of a circle. This is the diagram. O is the center of this circle, and AB and CD are the straight lines. You just see here, AB and CD, these two straight lines through the center, passes through the center. If angle AOC, this is equal to 80 degree, it is given in the question, and angle CDE, angle CDE, this angle is equal to 40 degree, it is given in the question. Find angle DCE, this angle we have to find out, and angle ABC, this angle we have to find out. These two angles we have to find out. So now step 1, angle CED, this angle equal to 90 degree, because this angle is formed by the dia CD on the semicircle at the point E. That is why the value of this angle is 90. In triangle CED, in this triangle, angle CED, this angle CED plus EDC, this angle plus angle DCE, this angle. The sum of these three angles is equal to 180. So now 90 degree plus 40 degree, the value of this angle 40 plus DCE. So DC, this is equal to 180 minus under bracket 90 plus 40. So that is equal to 50 degree. Angle DCE, this is the value of this angle is how much? For 50. Step 2, in triangle COB, in triangle COB, in this triangle COB, in this triangle, angle COB angle equal to 180 minus 80 degree. This is 100 degree. 180 degree minus 80 degree. This angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree, because these two angles are linear pair. That is why the sum of these two angles is equal to 180. So subtract 80 degree from 180, will get the value of this angle, that is equal to 100 degree, this angle. Angle COB, now this angle COB, this angle plus CBO, this angle plus OCE, sum of these three angles equal to 180. So now it is 100. This angle the same, and angle OCE, this is 50. So that equal to 180. So now angle CBO, value of this angle is equal to 180 minus 100 plus 50 is equal to 30 degree. Answer. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो. अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब इट.